guys, welcome to another YouTube video today. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Microsoft Word, basically the Microsoft Office, which includes the Microsoft Publisher, Excel, Outlook and all of that, the one of 2013 on your Windows 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install all these apps for free on your PC without paying any amount, unlike when you go to some cyber stores and they'll be like you have to pay $17.5 or $43 or thereabouts. But I'm going to show you how to install this for free. And if that's what you want to learn, please stick to the end of this video and don't go anywhere. Now the first thing you need on your PC to install this application is a CD-ROM. If your PC doesn't have a slot for CD-ROM, then you have to buy an external one and connect to your system with the USB port. If you don't have a CD-ROM, I have one you can purchase. I have a review of a CD-ROM, a DVD viewer as well, which you can purchase, an external one for your system. But if your system already has a built-in CD-ROM, then fine, you are good to go. After that, you need to purchase a CD worth 300 naira to 500 naira, which is about $1 or thereabouts. So you have to purchase the CD, or I have the file also in the description box below as well, where you can download the file and export to your PC and install. So you can use any of this method and it will work for you. Then the next thing you have to do is to simply power on your PC and refresh it. After that, you can insert the disk and you can see on the screen here you are allowed to show up. Now your laptop will pop out a notification for you to select, and it will show you an option to read the disk, which is installing the Microsoft Office basically. It's going to install the Office, which includes the other packages, the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Publisher, Outlook, Notes, and all of that. But I think that's up to 6 packages. So this is a very big package which you're going to enjoy. And this one I have here is the one for 2013. Now, if you want a newer model, you can also purchase that from any cyber stores around like 500 naira or thereabouts too, and you can have all of this if you want. But the one I'm showing you to make illustration on this video is 2013, and if you need this one for the meantime, you can also download this from the link in the description box below. Just follow the prompts and click OK when it is required and run the CD, run the package inside, and it's going to open up everything. Now the launching sequence might take more than 15 to 30 minutes, so you have to just calm down and wait for it to load. Mine took about 20 minutes though, so you have to just calm down and don't think your system is hanging. Just make sure your system is in an optimal state. Refresh it before starting your disk and it will run faster for you. After successfully installing the Microsoft Office, you can now see the app on the icon there. Now yours might not show the icon because this is a Windows 11, so you might see the icon somewhere or just the apps like individually. And if you don't see them, you can go to your search, just click on this Windows key you have near the spacebar on your keyboard, and you now click on search and search for Microsoft, and you see all the packages that was installed. Now you can now bring them out to your home page and you can launch every one of them individually. Now as you can see, I've installed my own, and you can see the year of these apps. They are 2013, Microsoft Word 2013, Publisher 2013, OneNote 20, the Outlook 2013 as well, and all of them are 2013 version. So you can also get the latest version from any stores around you if you need that. Or if you also need a video on that, please let me know that in the comment section below as well. This is the Microsoft Word. You can see all the features it has, and this is actually the most common Microsoft Word in this era. It's the most common one because it was about 9 years ago, but it's still working fine. We just some minor upgrades and the format and all of that, but it's basically the same thing. So you can have this on your laptop as well for free without paying any time or asking anyone to do any of those for you. And at the same time, you can install this on your phones as well. If you cannot install this on your PC, you can also install the Microsoft Office on your phone, and if you want to do the paid version, you can pay them and you can buy them. I think about $100 or so, and you can log in anywhere. And I think that's a perpetual plan. You can just log in anywhere on your device, your phone, laptop, MacBook, anything. Just log in there and you are good to go. Or you can simply use this method I showed you in this video. Buy the CD-ROM, or use your CD-ROM on your laptop and install the apps easily. As you can see, the Microsoft Excel also, it has different templates. As you can see, it has several templates, that you can edit depending on the document you want to produce and all of that. So it's going to be very easy. Now, if you think this video has helped you so much, please drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think about this video. If I didn't add some parts of it, or you think you want to help other viewers and drop your points, please do that, and I really appreciate. And don't forget to subscribe as well, and see you on my next video.